Hi, my name is Yasir and I'm a Google Partner Academy trainer. I'm a senior consultant in digital marketing here at Insights Marketing and Communication Dubai. Today, we are going to talk about few basic SEO elements that help in increasing the searchability of your website. I've seen a lot of website owners struggling that their website is not coming up in the search engine results, especially the small businesses who don't really take care of website searchability while creating their own website. So here are the 5 basic elements that you need to look into your website while you are going to create your website or you are going to give a contract to any company for creating the website. You should look into these 5 basic factors that should be there in your website that will help in increasing the searchability of your website. Okay, so let's start. The first one is your content. The content is the most important part of your website. It should be original. Okay, it should not be copied from somewhere else. So you should check when the website developers are putting the content in your website. It should be properly written content and it should not be copied from some other website. If it is copied, there are very bleak chances that your website would come up in the search engine results. Okay, so remember the first thing, that is content. Second, you have to look into the URLs of your website. You have different pages on your website and each page has a unique URL. Consider, like, take an example, you have an about us page, you have a contact us page, you have other pages on your website. These pages should have URLs which are search friendly, which are search engine friendly. Okay, when I say search engine friendly URLs, I mean that you should use keywords in the URLs. For example, you are optimizing your website on the keyword MBA college in Delhi maybe, or MBA college in Dubai. So this is the keyword for you, and this keyword should be present in your URLs. Okay, having keywords within your URLs will help increasing searchability to the great extent. I've seen a lot of website developers putting the numbers in the search engine in the URLs. Putting numbers is the wrong thing. You should not be putting the numbers in URLs. Use keywords in your URL. So the first thing was your content should be original. Second thing is you should have search friendly URLs. Don't use numbers in the URLs. Third, your website should be fast to load. It should be extremely fast to load, because we have seen 90% of the users will bounce back from your website if your website doesn't load within first 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so for that reason, you don't have to yourself do anything. Your web developer has to do a lot of work for that. They have to optimize the content, they have to optimize the code of the website so that your website loads fast. They should take care of JavaScript, they should take care of CSS and other components in the website so that your website loads very fast. Okay, so having a fast website also gives an indication to Google that your website is actually very good, and thus Google will rank you higher in the search engine results. Okay, and one more factor for increasing the speed of your website is having optimized images. Often we put large sized images in your website that take extreme long amount of time to load, so we should avoid that. Okay, third thing was this, our website should be fast to load. Fourth thing is that we should put meta descriptions and meta titles in our website. So each page on our website has a title that's known as meta title basically, and each page on our website should have a short description in it which actually tells search engine what this page is all about. Okay, so that's a meta description. So meta title and meta description, this is the fourth component that we should look into our website to improve the searchability. And then we have the last and the most important component, that is internal linking. Our pages should be internally linked with each other. Like we'll talk about navigation, having a home page connected to other important pages of the website. This is basically a part of internal linking. This is known as internal linking. And having pages properly interlinked with each other will actually decrease your bounce rate. Bounce rate means basically users coming to your website without going to any other pages or without interacting with your website. They are going off from the website. So that's basically the bounce rate. More people leaving your website without doing anything on your website increases your bounce rate. Having more bounce rate means less searchability, less search engine optimization. So you should have pages properly interlinked with each other so that people visit from one web page to another web page. Also, this internal linking will help crawlers to move from one page to another web page while the crawler is crawling your website. Okay, so this is also a very important factor that will help in increasing the searchability of your website. So in this session we have talked about 5 important factors that are required to increase the searchability of your website. Number 1 is content. Number 2 is having search friendly URLs. Third is your website should be fast to load, that is your code should be optimized. Fourth one is having the meta content on your website, that is the meta titles and meta descriptions. Fifth one is internal linking. Your pages should be properly interlinked with each other. Thank you.